So, hi my dear friends, I'm Yuvraj Dhaliwal. As you know me, so I am in 9th class, just to let you know. So, today's video is about the Latin legal maxims. These are often used in drafting cases because these also impress the jury. But today's video, there is something special. Today's video is dedicated to Shri Dr. Shailendra Modi sir. He is very kind man. All of the candidates in the university love him a lot. He is actually the dean of Bhabha University, Bhopal, faculty of law. So just I have to say something. I have not seen any advocate use these maxims in their drafting of cases. But once I become an advocate, I will use all of the Latin legal maxims I know. And now let me tell you some of them which I have learned. So let's go. Odi altrum partum, communis error facit jus, delegatus non potest, delegere, ex nudo pacto, non oritor acito, in pari delicto portier est condition defendentis, generalia specialibus non derogant, ignorantia facti excusat, ignorantia juris non excusat, omnia presumuncer contra spoliatorum, sic utere tuo ut alienum non leidas. Omnia, I told you that one already. The next is salus populi est suprema lex. Then is nemo est supra legis in propria causa. Also, there are more like res ipsa liquidator, volenti non fit injuria, that means damage suffered by consent is not cause of action. There is rex non potest pecere, means king can do no wrong. Then after that, there is ubi jus ibi remedium. And now I want to tell you some more that are starting from Nesciturus, falsus in uno, falsus in omnibus, dolosus versator in generalibus, docendo decimus, donna clandestine sunt semper suspiciosa, finis finum litibus impoint, cis era non habeat impelle luat, genus nunquam perit, nemo est supra legis in propria causa, nihil that qui non habet, non bis idem, litera scripta manet. Also there are more. This one is very good. It is omne quid solo in ad factor solo credit, means what built on land belongs to land. There are more like finis finum litibus impoint, also non bis idem. Then there is actus non facit nisi mens citria. Let me have a sip of water. There you go. The next one I want to tell you about is noxa sequitur caput. Then there is caveat emptor. Then there is one more. I told you earlier about omne quid solo in ad factor solo credit. It is the same one but a little different. It is omnia solo ad factum solo credit. There is one more. It is also very good. That is socimus socius mu socius non est, means partner of my partner is not my partner. Then there is delegatus non potest delegere, means delegate cannot further delegate. There is one more, that is principle of mens rea, that is actus non facit nisi mens citria. Then there are three more I would like to tell you about, that is omne quid solo in ad factum solo credit. The other one was ad factor, this is ad factum. Now there is one more, that is vox emissa volet litera scripta manet. Also there is socimus socius mu socius non est. Did I tell you that? I already told you that. The next one is, can I have a look? Yeah, sure, why not? I have a page in my pocket. That is quis entire debate est commodum. Also, well, yeah, that is all it for today's video. And once again, this video is dedicated to Shri Dr. Shailendra Modi sir. So I hope you have some comments on my video and I hope you learned something. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care everybody and bye bye.